Here's what my hair is looking like right now.
Oh, is that a new wig?
Yeah, you know me with the baby hairs.
You weren't sold off. Looks good.
Thanks, best friend. Oh my god.
Big Booty Productions.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I did a wig video. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J, for those who are new here, and if you ain't new, you already know the deal. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button because it helps you grow out, so make sure you help you grow out. But anyways, let's get right into this video. First of all, today I will be working with the company Yolova. They are the one who sponsored this video. Give it up for them. Yolova! We love people who believe in us. But anyways, yes, I want to thank you, Yolova, for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to show y'all this box. This box, Yolova, the packaging is very, very cute. Look at that. It says Yolova on the box. Let me show y'all how it opened. I spilled something on it, so if you see a grease stain, girl, sometimes food. But look how it opened up. If that's not cute, don't look at that. Don't look at that. That's embarrassing. I'm hungry. But look, it opened up like a drawer. I like that. I'm keeping this box even though I made it ugly, but forgive me. So this is how it comes. Very cute. They gave me a couple of things in this bag. Please ignore my room behind me. We're going through a transitional phase. So of course the hair, which I already washed and bleached the knots. Girl, you gotta start already ready. The hair washed really well. There was no change in texture. It was not tangling crazy. It came with some lashes and a wig cap. We love these little bags. We love those. So let's get straight to the hair. The density of the hair is 180%. It's 24 inches. If you want to purchase this hair that I have in this video, make sure you hit the link in the description box below and use my code BABYJ to get some of your purchase off, girl. Period, percent off. Get percent off. Fight back. Let's get into this hair. I'm ready for a new look. I did wash and blow dry the hair. That's why it looks like this right now. But I promise you by the end of this, it's gonna look fire. This is the inside of it. Then not this bleach, baby. 2 combs and 1 in the middle. Then it has the adjustable strap. And it's giving highlighted. It's giving streaks. So she's all blown out. That's why she looks so big and stuff, y'all, because I blew it out after I washed it. Okay, so when I apply my lace, I usually cut it into 3 parts, so I'm gonna do that.
So that's all for this video, you guys. I want to give you guys the quick pros and cons. So I'm gonna start with the cons. The lace was too light, but honestly that's because I did not tint it. I didn't think I would need to, but I for sure needed to. It looks a lot lighter on camera than it does in person. So in person it doesn't look this light, but because of course it's on camera it looks lighter. At the end it ended up coming together, but I definitely should have tinted the lace. And I want to get into the pros. The pros is that when I washed this hair it did not shed like crazy, and also while I was wearing it was not shedding like crazy, and that's a really big pro to me because a lot of hair sheds. I also want to talk about the color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. It straightens well and it also holds a curl very well. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button because it helps your girl out. So make sure you help your girl out, and thank you to Yolova Hair.